of October's paychecks, and we are let's get it out here of my wallet. So let's give her a count. We are going to be cash stuffing $910. I got this cute little pouch from Upscale Currency. If that's something that you're interested in, she has them on her site. I'll have it linked and listed below, or listed below for sure. Let me. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. So I count 50s and 5s funny. I worked for a financial institution way back in the early 2000s, and then also recently retired from another one. And originally when I was taught in Pennsylvania, we were taught to count these as halves. So half one, half two, half, which is 2 and a half, 250. When I came to this financial institution in Nevada, I originally learned in Pittsburgh. Then everybody's like, what are you even talking about? We count, financial institutions count 20s by 2, which I've seen some cash stuffers do that. And also, just so you know, 25 20s is $500, so that every like little strap or a little portion of a bundle is $500. So that's how they count so quickly at a financial institution. There's little cheat codes, right? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 10, 20, 30. We count 10s by 1s, and then 1s by 1s, of course, and 5s by halves again. So half 1, half 2, half 25. It's weird, I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's weird for even the people that I banked with here, but that's how I learned how to do it. So $910 out, yay, go us, we did it. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to get into my wallet first. First, I'm going to get a little lotion. This is my Goddess lotion, one of my top sellers in my shop. And I have seen, like I said, a lot of you guys use the what is it called? The soft grip or the sticky stuff for your fingers that a lot of financial institutions use. People that work for financial institutions use, but I always used lotion when I was a teller. It just moisturizes your hands, and then also, you know, makes it so you can count the money. So I had a nail appointment yesterday, so we have my nails binder, and I'm going to leave that out because we're going to put that back into sinking funds. I have nothing left in fuel, nothing left in coffee, dine out nothing, groceries nothing, and spending I have a 20. So I'm actually going to pull that 20 aside, and we're going to see about putting that into a savings challenge somewhere. And I've only got 3 coins, so I'm just going to drop them into my coin box over here and be done with that. Perfect. So now let's load her up. So for my binder, I have my Missy Money budget pulled up over here on my iPad. So fuel, I just filled up. I allocated this week, I allocated $40 for it. So, you know, I'm going to put, I had to run some people around for, we had family come in and visit, and I was driving them around. So my grandmother paid for my gas. So I'm going to put that, I'm going to put 20 in here, and I'm going to put 20 over here for savings challenges as well. So, because I'm not going to need for this week, I just filled up. I don't think I'm going to need more than 20 for that. So I'm going to do that. So then coffee is getting a $5 bill. So typically I don't purchase like Starbucks unless I'm taking my nieces or anything. This coffee that I have in here is for church, and I typically buy the regular coffee, which is $2.50 a cup. So that will get me 2. Dine out is getting nothing, and groceries is getting its usual 150. So I allocated 150 for that. Perfect. And then that's it. Spending is getting nothing. So there's that. We've got that taken care of. That is our wallet all done. Let's go into our bills binder. So how is everybody doing? How's your week going so far? I typically film these on Wednesdays, but since I had family in town, I did not. So I didn't get it done. So now I'm doing this on a Thursday. Okay, car payment is getting $150 like it normally does. So I did a 100 and a 50. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 500, 550, 600. And that is what I thought I should have. So I will take the money back into the financial institution tomorrow to make that car payment. Perfect. My Discover card is getting its usual 250. So that's 1, 2 bills and a 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 750, 800. So 800. This bill is due the 12th of the month. So it'll go back to the financial institution next week. Oh, I was a little violent toss there. Capital One is getting 150, so that's 150. So yeah, so my mom and my sister came in to visit, and the grandmother who I take care of at my house, it's her daughter and my other sister and my sister, so her other granddaughter. So we did some sightseeing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 455, 550, $600 for Capital One. Did some sightseeing yesterday because I live outside of Vegas, so we did a little sightseeing, and we had some good sushi because we're Japanese, and so that's one of our favorite things to eat. And yeah, it was a good day. They played some cards and hung out, so everybody was happy. So our trailer is getting a 50, and I paid the trailer last week, so it's starting fresh. So $50 in the trailer. And there you go. That's it for the bills binder. So they're on their way back today. They came in for they came in for like a day and a half, which is crazy to fly all that way, but next time they'll. So now we're going to go to sinking funds binder. Perfect. Oh, I still love this one. It was so pretty together. So Pupper Food has, I think it's getting skipped. It has $100 in it, so I think I'm good there. I'll have enough for my dog food and maybe some treats. Vet is getting nothing. Grooming is getting nothing. So check this out. The last time my older dog got groomed, I paid ahead another visit and got 10% off. So I've been stuffing, knowing that he has an appointment this week, and it's already paid for. So now my other dog's next one is already done. I love when that happens. My hair appointment is getting 30 this week. 30? Is that right? Interesting. I wrote 40. Oh, no, it's getting 30. So 20 and a 10. 20, 30, 40, 20, 30. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So 180 now in my hair for my hair appointments, and that's coming up soon. So we got to get it to 250 is what I think I need for that. Perfect. And then my nails that we pulled from my wallet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And here it's getting a 5. So that's $19 it'll have in there. Perfect. And then nothing else for this binder today. Awesome. Okay. So now savings challenge, savings tracker situation here in the blue binder. And just like always, we're going to stuff the Black Friday. Grab me a marker. What marker do I want to do? Do I use these? No, I don't use these. I use these. Get it together, Autumn. I'm going to do blue. This one's getting 30 like it always does. So 20, 30. So now in Black Friday, we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 210. 210. Love that. Moving right along. Thanksgiving is getting its normal $5. So yeah, we were looking for stuff to do while my family was here, and it's so difficult because they only gave me a day. And like, Las Vegas has a ton of shows and a ton of places to dine and everything, but they didn't tell me what they wanted to do prior. I had nothing planned. I had to spur of the moment do some stuff. So we figured it out. 20, 25, 30, 35 in Thanksgiving. So yeah, but it ended up being a really good day. My grandmother had a great time. She was so surprised. We surprised her that she did not know they were coming. And so she was elated. So that's really all that matters. 15 for the birthdays. I don't know if some of you guys check out my Instagram restoration by Autumn, and then, or Facebook, or if you guys know me from any of the other socials that I do. Typically I do this thing called Adventures with Bachan because that's my grandmother. And so she gets super excited about things because she's 95. So it's fun so I did a little Adventures with Bachan yesterday too. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 105 for birthdays. My stepmom, who I call my mom, her birthday's in October, so I gotta see about getting her something there. Okay, so now I allocated, I did all of that, so I should have $30 left here. So 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So I have $30 left. Plus I have this $40 that we have. So let's see. The $30 I had allocated for my 52 Circles fund. So I'm going to do that. And then we're going to figure out what we're going to do with this extra 40 that we have. So let's get out the 52 Circles binder. Green, 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 green. And I wanted to say to you guys, so I was looking at the cash trays that a lot of you guys have that I'm seeing that are matte and really pretty, matte black, all the colors, whatever. And I'm like, I just can't afford, I don't have it in my budget right now to purchase another thing for the budgeting. This stuff, as much as we love it, it can get a little pricey sometimes. So I took my regular cash tray that I had that I got from At Home, that's for makeup. It's that just a plain acrylic, and I sprayed it with, because for my business I have almost every color of spray paint that you can think of, but this is my favorite brand, Color Shot, and I had Blackout, which is their matte, and I think she turned out pretty good. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I don't think you can tell that she used to be just this clear acrylic like this morning. So I'm pretty happy about that. So in our 52 Circles binder, get my green pen out, I decided that we're going to stuff $2. So we're going to get number 2 done. Let me color that in. And number 28. 25, 6, 7, and 8. Ooh. And there's that. So now, moving right along with this one, we're getting there. We are getting there. Perfect. So put that away. Okay, guys, what are we going to do with this 2 extras? Let's go back into our savings challenge. Okay. These ones tend to be higher, so let's do one of these because they range from 35 to 5, and just you never know. And I think I'm going to do this one today. See, 30, that's pretty high. All right. Handy dandy vacuum. Perfect. So we got 30. Do I have 10 ones anywhere? Let me make change. Oh wait, I could probably, oh yeah, I can definitely make change here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to put the 40 in for that 30. Take the 10 ones out. So now in this challenge, I've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $205 there. Sweet. And this one saves me $500, so we're almost halfway. And then let's do, I've got 10 ones here, so, and I don't think, oh, I don't know, because there was a 15, so I'm not sure. All right, a 7. Whew. We can do a 7. And this is one of the savings challenges that I made for myself because I have a book problem and a coffee problem. So there's that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. I wonder. You know, I'm just going to